Our spice grinders are here. We are running promo on this spice grinder. We have the 1,500 gram. This is 1,500 gram. We have the 2,000 gram. We have the almighty 2,500 gram. Just look. Can you see how big this pot is? And 3,000 gram. Send us DM, let's do. Anyone that you are picking from this our spice grinder comes with promo. It's on promo now. Buy now. Don't keep it for later. Buy now while the stock are still available. Thank you.
On the touch, see this one now, Abuja. See the number. See this one now, the worry. See worry. See, I'll show you. I'm writing the remaining two now. I'm going to do this one way big.
Packages you are seeing here are customers who have taken advantage of the promo running currently, and you don't need to waste time. Just click the Learn More button and go to the website and place your order. As you can see, our vehicle packing the products of those who have placed order. So our agents will call you to confirm your order, and then we'll ship it to your location. Payment is on delivery. Order now.